Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this non-slip mattress gripper from ECOHome. Thank you guys for sending this. This is actually a size king. It's either king or California king. They do have the options on there. In fact, there are a lot of different options on there from twin size all the way up and including like a 2-seater or a 3-seater for your couch. I can see this coming in handy on a lot of these new style beds where they've got mattresses that are on a platform like this, where you just put your mattress, the mattresses can slide all over the place. This actually acts as a medium in between, very thin, but it is extremely sticky, not to the touch, but when you put it on there, it doesn't move anywhere. Like I can push that, it's actually moving the entire table. Even just with one layer of this, I mean, it has a lot of grip to this little piece here. It's kind of almost a corrugated looking piece. It even's raised a little bit. I don't know if you can see that or not. But another part of this that I like is the fact that this can be cut really easily using just a pair of household scissors. So if you're going to be using it on couch cushions or whatnot, you can easily trim off exactly the size that you need, put it on there, put the couch cushion down. That way, even if you've got kids bouncing on the couch or people sitting on there trying to slide off the couch, maybe you've got some faux leather that's kind of slippery, this will act as a nice medium on there that will allow you to do that. Not a lot of odor with this, which is nice, and it also compacts down really nice, so you can easily give this as a gift or keep it for yourself.